Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today our topic of discussion is modem. Here you can see a table of contents in which you see introduction, definition, working of modem, what does modem do, what is internet modem. You can also see that the examples of modem versus router, and uses of modem and features of modem. In introduction, we just see the minimum information about modem. After reading introduction, we will able to know the basic know-how of modem. So let's start. Basically, it says that modem stands for modulator and demodulator. The term modulator and demodulator I can explain you in further next slides. It is commonly called as communication device. Modem receives and communicate data from one computer to another through telephone lines. Basically, all we know that one important thing which we all know is modem. If you want to send data through modem, then it is compulsory that both the computers should have modems. So let's talk about its proper definition. Modem is a device used to allow a computer to communicate over a telephone line. Modulation is a basic process of converting. Now we will discuss the term modulation and demodulation. Modulation is the process of converting digital electrical signals generated by a computer into analog electrical signals which can be transmitted over a telephone lines. Okay, which we all discussed. Next, working of modem. In working of modem, we can see that all we know that computer stores information in the form of digital signals. However, the information transfer over telephone lines is in the form of analog signals. Modem receives data from computer in digital form, and basically it converts it into analog form of modulation. Okay, and modem on receiving computer convert analog signals to digital signal. This is called as demodulation. So we know that the concept of modulation and demodulation. We repeat, modulation is a process in which the modem receives digital signal from computer and convert it into analog form, and demodulation is the process in which your device is modem receive analog signal from telephone lines and converts into digital signals. Let's move further. Here you can see the diagram in which you see VoIP cable modem, which is connected standard telephone, which is connected to VoIP modem, and separate. In the second diagram, you can see that a standard telephone, analog wire, and IP cable or DSL modem. Then next we move. Now we shall discuss what modem do. Modem basically work as communicator. It uses transfer data over telephone lines between the two computers. It basically works on the principle of modulation and demodulation. Now we discuss about internet modem. A modem is a tiny box. Internet modem is a tiny box or device that sits between your computer and your wall or cable box, depending upon the type of the internet connection you have. If you are using dial-up or DSL, then your modem will connect to the wall, and if you are using cable, then it will hook up to your cable box or available coaxial cable. Here you can see the pictures of internet modem, and these modems are commonly used in Pakistan and all over the world. These are very familiar to. We are very familiar to these devices. Next, we see the examples of modem. Basically, commonly, however, there are many examples of modem. Basically, but the most familiar examples is cable modem or DSL. Cable modem and DSL modem. In cable modem is a type of network bridge that provides bidirectional data communication via radio frequency channels on a hybrid fiber coaxial radio frequency over a glass and coaxial cable infrastructure. Basically, it uses cables. You can see the pictures of cable modem. This one is the pictures of DSL modem, and here's the definition of the DSL modem. A digital subscriber line modem is a device used to connect a computer or router to a telephone line which provides the digital subscriber line service for connection to the internet, which is often called DSL broadband, which PTCL, the broadband of PTCL is a very familiar example of this. Now, the most important topic of the discussion, we often confuse about the concept between modem and router. So let's have a look. Your modem is a box that connects your home network to the wider internet. It provides you a long range. Okay, it is you can say that modem uses modem is a box that connects your home network to the wider internet. It is used by companies to provide you internet. Or router basically is a box that let all of your wired and wireless devices use that internet connection at once and allows them to talk to one another without having to do so over the internet. So basically, router is used in homes. Okay, we all very know that, we all familiar of this, that a router serve in homes. Okay, to connect wireless or wired devices by using by using the same internet connections. Okay, next we move and you can see that the definitions of router and modem, pictures of router and modem. Next we move, basically all of you know that modem used to bring internet to your homes, as we discussed earlier. Tidbits. We discussed that every router has modem, but every modem does not have router. It's important to note. Next we have the features of modem. Modem's features, basically it has automatic cable sensor, automatic calling, card dialing, call progress detection, caller ID, analog cellular communication, dialing stored phone numbers, and digital line guard. So basically all of these functions are performed by a modem. So here's we end our presentation. So any question?